Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and closing GPU-accelerated apps to avoid corruption. Next, open Task Manager or Services. MSC and stop Nvidia services like Nvidia Container and Display Container. This prevents file locks. Make sure you have administrator rights and note the driver package name shown in Programs and Features so you can identify it later. Once done, rebooting into safe mode is optional but useful for stubborn components. Do that only if standard removal fails or files remain locked. You now uninstall via Settings Apps or Control Panel Programs and Features. Select Nvidia Graphics Driver and related packages and choose Remove. If items won't uninstall or files are in use, reboot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller. To clean drivers and registry entries. The targets remnants that normal uninstallers miss. After the or uninstaller finishes, check and delete leftover folders in C, /program, files /NVIDIA, and C. You finish by rebooting and deciding whether to reinstall a fresh NVIDIA driver from the manufacturer. If you don't reinstall immediately, Device Manager should show Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. That's normal. When installing a new package, choose Custom Clean Install to avoid reintroducing old settings. If something goes wrong, display issues, driver loops, or missing GPU, reboot into safe mode and rerun or restore the system to a prior restore point. This resolves most persistent driver problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.